Okay, so we have the TYT TH-UV88. I did the battery review, the battery eliminator pack review, but it came with no belt clip. You know, I got thinking, I have a bunch of these TYT MD380 belt clips I bought. Bought a 5-pack one. I bought 2 spare batteries a few years back for my MD380s. Had one in UHF, one in VHF. You know, they look about the same size. Let's get it out of the package and see if it actually works. Okay, so there we go. Got the MD380 belt clip onto the TH-UV88. It's a perfect fit. How did I know? Because I was looking back at the box of the UV88 saying, damn, you know, I only got one battery belt clip. If I put it on the stock battery, I can't put it on the battery eliminator pack. Then I got looking at that saying, you know, that thing looks just like the one on my MD380 I bought spares of, so had to find those, and guess what? Screws are perfect fit, threads are perfect fit, the holes are perfect fit. Tension is great. There you go. You can find spare TYT MD380 belt clips, but you can't find them for the TH-UV88. Thank God there's some universality or commonality with TYT.